Alright guys, so welcome back. This is CryptoPhil. Now, this video, spend 5 minutes of your time and watch the video. Now, this video is for every community member. This video is for every YouTuber. This video is for every single developer there. I wish all of you to copy paste my project. Now, my project, it's called More You Give, More You Receive, what I started months and months and months ago. This is number 29. Now, listen. Let's show the world that crypto is also used for good stuff, okay? Not just shitty stuff. Now, make sure you understand in this video what I'm doing. So I'm taking a part of my profit from crypto, okay? And I'm sharing with the world. I'm trying to help as much as I can. This is number 29 video, okay? This time we're helping in India, in these amazing children. Thank you for the person who is doing this video. Now, in the video, you will see over 25, 30 kids. We hire a teacher. Every single month, we give her a paycheck. Every single month, we buying food for the kids, okay? Some toys, some books, everything what we can, what I can afford, okay? Again, I'm only one, and thank you for everybody who donate. Again, please watch the video to the end. Look what we're doing. We're making different, okay? We're making different. If you're a YouTuber or if you're a developer, copy, paste my project, okay? Don't wait to all of you. Don't wait to make too much money to go and share to somebody, because a lot of people are dreaming to have what you have. Instead of waiting to make too much money, just start with what you have. Take a little percentage and go and share, go and help somebody, okay? You don't need to do any donation to my address. Don't worry, go and help. Let me know, send me a video. I'm more than happy to share to my channel. Again, watch the video, 5 more minutes. Thank you for the guy who is doing this video. I'm coming to see you in September. Let's go. Thank you.
Now this is the kids education going with the support of Phil. The teacher has been teaching students, and with the help of Phil we are distributing this material today. These are the notebooks for and other are learning games, fun learning games, because it's always productive in education when learning is creative. She's a teacher who comes regularly to teach these kids. You can see the nearby area, here they live. So with the help of Phil, we are trying our best to give them a proper basic education so they can come into a mainstream. Now they are showing their skills. They are engaged in painting, and some are playing with the creative games. These are puzzles games. Children are having lots of creative learning here. Nice to see them engaging with so much enthusiasm in such a creative learning. This is the place where they live. These are like, this is the area. Thank you, CryptoPhil, for all your love and support. We are trying our best to help them kids as much as possible. A lady is preparing food nearby. This is how they prepare food. So it is creative learning for the kids having. She is reciting, counting what she has learned from the teacher. Nice. So this kid has a problem in his eye. There is a blindness in his eye. In spite of this, he is learning. Hope he will overcome for all his struggle and all. So we have bought some stuff also for the kids. Ajo, come. We are going towards the slum school. So we will distribute these snacks to them. So now it's time to leave. It was a lot of fun today. Creative learning with the kids. Thank you, Phil, for all your love and support. And it was a great day. Hope kids will keep learning by this. Thank you. Bye.